in news to me at least today, that guy right there, Michael Mosiman, has signed with Star Racing Yamaha, and that is to fill in the seat of Styles Robertson, who had a pretty bad preseason crash. And if you want to see the pictures at the end, you look, it's his arm's a little bit tweaked, well, very tweaked, and so he'll be out for the whole of 2024 for Supercross. Or somebody tell me what happened to Mosiman in the comments below. What happened? Because I know for the last few years, obviously he was racing for gas. Did he just? Who knows? Somebody, if you do, comment down below. But this is, as far as I know, as far as I've read and seen, this is only a fill and ride for the Supercross season. Who knows with how long this is going to take Robertson out? Because it is a pretty broken arm. Probably, I think on his Instagram a week ago, he said 2 of 3 surgeries done, so he's not even to the point of healing yet. So I don't know how long this is going to break into his motocross season, and if that means maybe Mosiman gets a little bit more time on the bike. Obviously, Yamaha is fielding half of the riders of the whole thing at this point. But comments below, you guys tell me, 1, what happened to him? Like I said. 2, how well do you think he does? Because being off the bike and getting signed on to a different company, different team, everything, how well does he do? And obviously he's not going to win the championship being starting around 3, but whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.